When people think about having a unique business or marketing their stuff, they tend to overlook one important point. Most businesses talk about trying to niche down, or if you're making content, making all of your content around one thing. But businesses are made up of people, and people are complicated and made up of a whole bunch of different stuff. People trade stocks and they write poetry. People draw cartoons and fix marketing budgets. The uniqueness is in the combination. The flavor of food is in the combination of salt, acid, fat, and heat. When you strip something down into its most basic elements, you do gain clarity, but you also lose diversity. Remember that diversity is how things grow best. Now notice that I didn't say diversity is how things grow most. It's how they grow best. You can get way more corn by making a cornfield, but also you cultivate the dirt until it's bone dry and stripped of all of its nutrients. But you can grow better things longer when they are a part of a sustainable ecosystem that has a whole bunch of stuff in it. Singleness, or focusing on just one thing, is usually short-sighted and far-sighted at the same time. One of my favorite books is by David Epstein called Range. It contends that for every single person like Tiger Woods, who focused on just one thing to become a master, there are actually way more people like Roger Federer, who sampled a bunch of different sports that allowed him to play the game differently and better. Your uniqueness is actually in the combination of your interests and experience, not in the singular focus of any one thing.